Welcome back to English Grammar Tales. Today, Daniel and Lily are talking about their friends, who they are and why they matter. Listen carefully and learn how to describe your own friends in natural English. Let's join them.
Can I ask you something random?
Always.
Who is your oldest friend? Like, the person you've known the longest?
Oh, that's easy. Marcus. We've been friends since we were about 7 years old. We grew up on the same street.
That's lovely. What's he like?
He's one of those people who is just always in a good mood. Nothing seems to bother him. You could tell him the worst news in the world, and he'd find something positive in it somehow. It's almost annoying.
Almost?
Completely annoying. But also really lovely to be around, especially on a bad day. What about you?
My oldest friend is called Sophie. We met on the first day of secondary school. We were both terrified and we ended up sitting next to each other. And that was it. We've been friends ever since.
What's she like?
She's very funny, really sharp, quick with a joke, but also incredibly loyal. She's the kind of friend who shows up, you know? Like if something goes wrong, she's there. No questions asked.
Those are the best kind of friends.
They really are. Do you have a friend like that? Someone you can call when things are difficult?
Yeah, Marcus, actually. He's been there through some really tough times. He just shows up, makes a cup of tea, and sits with you.
That's what matters, isn't it? Just being there.
Exactly. Words aren't always necessary.
Sophie is like that too. We don't even have to talk sometimes. We can just sit in the same room and it feels comfortable.
That's a sign of a really good friendship, when the silence isn't awkward.
Definitely. Oh, and do you have a friend who is very different from you? Like someone you wouldn't expect to be friends with?
Yes, my friend Pete. We are completely different. I'm quiet and organized. He is chaotic, late for everything, loses everything, changes his plans every 5 minutes.
And you're still friends?
15 years. I think we balance each other out. He gets me out of my comfort zone, and I stop him from completely falling apart.
That's a very healthy arrangement. I have a friend like that too, Priya. She's incredibly adventurous. She makes me braver.
That's what good friends do, isn't it? They bring out a side of you that you wouldn't find on your own.
Exactly. And the best friendships change you, slowly without you even noticing. I'm a better person because of my friends. More patient, more open-minded.
I think Marcus has made me more relaxed. I used to worry about everything. Being around someone who just takes life as it comes, it rubs off on you eventually.
It does. What do you think makes a good friend? If you had to say just one thing.
Reliability. Knowing they'll be there. If you can't trust someone to show up, nothing else really matters.
Mine would be honesty. I want a friend who tells me the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. Sophie has told me some very uncomfortable truths over the years, and every single time she's been right.
That's the mark of a real friend. Someone who cares enough to be honest.
Exactly. Right. This has been a very nice conversation.
It has. Right, back to work?
Back to work. But Daniel, text Marcus today, just to say hello.
Yeah, I should.
Today we learned how to talk about friends in natural English. Use adjectives to describe them. Loyal, funny, adventurous, reliable. Use present simple for their personality. She is very funny. He is always positive. And use present perfect for how long you have known them. We have been friends since we were 7. Simple and natural. And that's an end of today's conversation. Join us every Tuesday and Friday for a brand new episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Grammar Tales. Bye!